Hey there! Personal growth is a journey, and every step counts. If you're ready to build better habits, develop a strong mindset, and create a life you love, you're in the right place. Hit subscribe, and let's grow together. And don't forget to share your thoughts in the comments.
How often do you find yourself distracted? Imagine you're working on a crucial task or engaged in an important conversation, and your mind wanders off to unrelated thoughts. How often does this happen to you? In today's fast-paced world, maintaining focus can feel like an uphill battle. Distractions are everywhere. From the constant ping of notifications to the lure of social media, it's easy to lose track of what really matters. But what if you could harness the power to stay laser-focused on your goals and tasks? What if you could increase your productivity while reducing stress? In this bookshot, we will explore 5 all-time tools to boost your focus and maintain your attention. 1. Mindfulness meditation. Training your brain for better focus. What is mindfulness meditation? Mindfulness meditation is a practice that involves paying full attention to the present moment. According to Kabat-Zinn, the pioneer of the mindfulness movement and author of Wherever You Go, There You Are, mindfulness is about living in the moment and awakening to your current experience, rather than dwelling on the past or anticipating the future. How does it improve focus? Mindfulness meditation trains the brain to stay anchored in the present moment. Research published in Psychological Science found that just 2 weeks of mindfulness training can improve focus and cognitive flexibility. The practice helps reduce mind wandering and enhances your ability to concentrate on the task at hand. Practical steps to start mindfulness meditation. 1. Set aside time. Begin with just 5 to 10 minutes a day. Choose a quiet place where you won't be disturbed. 2. Focus on your breath. Sit comfortably, close your eyes, and pay attention to your breath. Notice the sensation of the air entering and leaving your nostrils. 3. Notice when your mind wanders. It's natural for your mind to wander. When it does, gently bring your attention back to your breath. 4. Be kind to yourself. Don't judge yourself for getting distracted. Mindfulness is about noticing distractions and returning to the present moment without criticism. Expert insight. Daniel Goleman, author of Focus, the Hidden Driver of Excellence, emphasizes the importance of mindfulness in improving focus. He argues that practicing mindfulness makes our attention more malleable. It increases the brain's ability to stay focused on a given task, reducing the influence of distractions. Practical task. Mindful moment journal. Duration. 5 minutes daily. Instructions. Start a small notebook or use a note-taking app on your phone. Set aside a few minutes each day to write down moments when you were distracted and how you regained your attention. Reflect on patterns that emerge over time. 2. Time blocking. Structuring your day for maximum efficiency. What is time blocking? Time blocking is a time management technique where you divide your day into blocks of time, each dedicated to a specific task or group of tasks. Newport, author of Deep Work: Rules for Focused Success in a Distracted World, advocates for time blocking as a way to achieve deep work, uninterrupted, high-focus work that produces significant results. Time blocking helps you organize your tasks and allocate specific time slots for each activity. This structure reduces decision fatigue and allows you to concentrate fully on one task at a time, increasing efficiency and productivity. Practical steps to implement time blocking. 1. Identify your priorities. List your most important tasks and allocate dedicated time blocks for them. 2. Schedule breaks. Include short breaks to rest and recharge. Avoid scheduling back-to-back tasks without downtime. 3. Limit multitasking. Focus on one task during each block. Multitasking can reduce the quality of your work and increase stress. 4. Review and adjust. At the end of the day, review your time blocks. Adjust your schedule based on what worked and what didn't. Expert insight. Newport emphasizes that achieving elite productivity requires extended periods of intense focus on a single task without interruptions. He advocates that by implementing time blocking, you cultivate an environment conducive to this deep, undistracted concentration. Practical task: schedule daily time blocks. Duration: 15 minutes at the beginning of the day. Instructions: use a planner or digital calendar to schedule your day in blocks. Assign specific tasks or categories to each block, including breaks. Follow your schedule and at the end of the day, reflect on what went well and what needs to be adjusted. 3. Pomodoro Technique. Short bursts of productivity. What is the Pomodoro Technique? The Pomodoro Technique, developed by Francesco Cirillo, involves breaking your work into intervals, traditionally 25 minutes in length, separated by short breaks. Each interval is called a Pomodoro, named after the tomato-shaped kitchen timer that Cirillo used during university. How does it enhance focus? This technique capitalizes on the human brain's ability to concentrate intensely for short periods. By working in these focused bursts, you can maintain a high level of attention and reduce mental fatigue. Practical steps to use the Pomodoro Technique. 1. Choose a task. Decide on the task you want to work on. 2. Set a timer. Set a timer for 25 minutes and start working. 3. Work without distractions. Focus solely on your task until the timer rings. 4. Take a short break. Take a 5-minute break to rest. Repeat the process. 5. Longer breaks. After completing 4 Pomodoros, take a longer break, 15-30 minutes. Expert insight. In the book Atomic Habits, James Clear talks about how time-blocking techniques can help you develop better work habits. He notes that working with time, rather than against it, helps you stay focused and productive. It turns tasks into manageable challenges and provides frequent opportunities for rest and recuperation. Practical task. Pomodoro planning sheet. Duration. Daily as necessary. Instructions. Create or download a Pomodoro planning sheet. List the tasks you need to accomplish and track each Pomodoro session, noting what you accomplished and how you felt. Adjust the technique as needed based on your experience. 4. Environmental design, creating a focus-friendly workspace. What is environmental design? Environmental design involves arranging your physical space to enhance productivity and minimize distractions. In The Organized Mind, Daniel Levitin highlights the importance of a well-organized environment in boosting cognitive function and focus. How does it enhance focus? A clutter-free, well-organized workspace reduces visual distractions and allows your brain to concentrate on the task at hand. Factors such as lighting, noise levels, and ergonomic furniture also play a crucial role in maintaining focus. Practical steps to design a focus-friendly workspace. 1. Declutter your desk. Keep only essential items on your desk. Remove unnecessary papers and objects. 2. Optimize lighting. Ensure your workspace is well lit. Natural light is ideal, but if that's not possible, use adjustable lamps. 3. Control noise. Use noise-canceling headphones or listen to white noise if you're in a noisy environment. 4. Ergonomic furniture. Invest in a comfortable chair and desk that promote good posture. Expert insight. Daniel Levitin suggests that an organized space helps to organize the mind. By reducing the cognitive load associated with clutter, you free up mental resources for more important tasks. He also emphasizes the importance of personalizing your space to reflect your needs and preferences. Practical assignment. Workspace audit. Duration 30 minutes, 1 hour per week. Instructions. Conduct a weekly audit of your workspace. Check for clutter, lighting, and distracting noise. Make the necessary changes, organize your desk, optimize lighting, and ensure your workspace is ergonomic. 5. Digital detox. Minimizing screen time for better concentration. What is a digital detox? Digital detox involves taking breaks from digital devices such as smartphones, computers, and tablets to reduce screen time and improve mental well-being. In the book Digital Minimalism, Cal Newport discusses the benefits of disconnecting from technology to increase focus and productivity. How does it improve concentration? Constant notifications and the urge to check devices can fragment your attention. By reducing screen time, you can decrease the frequency of distractions and allow your brain to engage more deeply with tasks. Practical steps for a digital detox. 1. Set boundaries. Establish specific times when you will check emails and social media. Avoid these activities outside designated periods. 2. Use apps mindfully. Limit the use of non-essential apps and consider removing those that are major distractions. 3. Schedule device-free time. Allocate certain periods, such as during meals or before bedtime, to be device-free. 4. Engage in offline activities. Rediscover hobbies and activities that don't involve screens, such as reading a book, exercising, or spending time outdoors. Expert insight. Cal Newport argues that digital minimalism is a philosophy that helps you ask yourself what digital communication tools and the behaviors associated with those tools add the most value to your life. It's about focusing your time online on a few carefully selected and optimized activities. Part 5. Real-life examples and expert opinions. Example 1. Steve Jobs. Steve Jobs was known for his ability to focus intensely on his vision. In Steve Jobs by Walter Isaacson, Jobs' biographer highlights how Jobs practiced Zen Buddhism, which helped him develop his ability to concentrate deeply on his work. This level of focus was instrumental in his success at Apple. Example 2. J.K. Rowling. J.K. Rowling, the author of the Harry Potter series, often spoke about her need for isolation to write. In various interviews, she mentioned how she would retreat to a cafe, away from the distractions of home, to focus solely on her writing. This dedicated time allowed her to produce one of the most beloved book series of all time. Example 3. Warren Buffett. Warren Buffett, one of the most successful investors in history, is known for his ability to focus on long-term goals. In The Snowball, Warren Buffett and the Business of Life, by Alice Schroeder, Buffett's disciplined approach to reading and thinking deeply about investments is highlighted as a key factor in his success. Practical assignment: Digital Detox Challenge. Duration: 1 week. Instructions: choose 1 week to conduct a digital detox challenge. Set specific goals to reduce screen time and replace it with offline activities. At the end of the week, analyze how your focus and productivity have changed. Surprising facts and statistics: how focus impacts your life. 1. Multitasking reduces productivity. A study by the American Psychological Association found that multitasking can reduce productivity by up to 40%. This is because switching between tasks requires cognitive effort, leading to slower progress on each task. 2. Average attention span. According to a study by Microsoft, the average human attention span has decreased from 12 seconds in 2000 to just 8 seconds in recent years, highlighting the growing challenge of maintaining focus in a digital age. 3. Impact of clutter. Research from Princeton University Neuroscience Institute indicates that physical clutter can negatively impact your ability to focus and process information, leading to decreased performance and increased stress. Here are some of the experts who have made significant contributions to understanding and improving how we learn and improve attention and concentration. Their views range from mindfulness and time management to cognitive psychology and productivity techniques. Nir Eyal. Key insight: Eyal provides strategies for managing internal and external triggers that lead to distraction. In Indistractable, he offers practical advice on how to take control of one's attention and build habits that support sustained focus. He emphasizes understanding the root causes of distraction and developing techniques to overcome them. David Allen. Key insight: Allen's GTD, Getting Things Done. Methodology is designed to improve focus by capturing, clarifying, organizing, reflecting, and engaging with tasks. This system helps individuals clear their minds of distractions and focus on the tasks at hand by systematically managing their commitments. Mihai Csikszentmihalyi. Key point: Csikszentmihalyi introduces the concept of flow, a state of deep focus and immersion in an activity that provides a sense of satisfaction and productivity. He explains that achieving flow involves balancing tasks and skills and minimizing distractions to increase concentration and enjoyment of tasks. Tony Schwartz. Key insight: Schwartz emphasizes managing energy rather than time to improve focus and performance. He advocates for alternating between periods of intense focus and rest to sustain high levels of energy and attention throughout the day. Anders Ericsson. Key point: Ericsson's research on deliberate practice emphasizes the importance of deliberate, goal-oriented practice in developing expertise. He explains that high levels of performance are achieved through structured, repetitive practice with full concentration on improving specific aspects of a skill. Sharon Salzberg. Key point: Salzberg advocates mindfulness and loving-kindness meditation as tools for increasing focus and emotional well-being. Her work emphasizes the role of mindfulness in training the mind to maintain focus and compassion in daily activities. Adam Ghazali, key insight. Ghazali explores how modern technology affects our sustained attention and cognitive control, examining how our ancient brains struggle to adapt to the demands of a high-tech world. His research focuses on the neurological mechanisms underlying distraction and shows how constant interruptions from email, notifications, and multitasking can impair cognitive performance. Ghazali emphasizes the importance of cognitive training to improve attention and offers practical strategies, such as reducing multitasking and creating tech-free zones to improve cognitive control in an era dominated by digital devices. Stephen Kotler, key insight. Kotler delves into the science of flow, a state of intense focus and immersion where an individual achieves maximum results. He describes techniques for achieving and maintaining a state of flow, such as setting clear goals, providing immediate feedback, and finding a balance between challenge and mastery. Kotler argues that achieving a flow state can significantly increase focus, creativity, and productivity, allowing people to achieve goals that might otherwise seem unattainable. In conclusion, embrace the journey to better focus. In a world full of distractions, achieving and maintaining focus may seem like a daunting task, but it's not impossible. By incorporating these 5 tools, meditation, time blocking, the Pomodoro technique, environmental design, and digital detox into your daily routine, you can strengthen your ability to focus and make significant progress in your personal and professional life. Keep in mind that improving your focus is an ongoing journey, not an endpoint. Every step you take toward reducing distractions and improving your concentration brings you closer to a more productive and fulfilling life. So start small, be consistent, and celebrate your progress along the way. The pursuit of concentration isn't just about fighting distractions. It's about creating a life where you can give your full attention to what really matters. Whether it's completing a work project, having a pleasant conversation with a loved one, or pursuing a hobby, focus is the key to a fulfilling and purposeful life. So take the first step today and discover the incredible power of a focused mind.
Every small step forward creates big changes over time. What's one idea from today's video that you're going to apply? Share your thoughts in the comments. And if you're serious about personal growth, subscribe and turn on notifications so we can keep growing together.